The iPhone 16 series has been the subject of numerous leaks and rumors lately. Normally, we would expect to be closer to the release of the new generation iPhone SE around this time, as Apple tends to refresh the SE variant every 2 years. However, according to various reports, the SE4 has been delayed until 2025. Despite this setback, the smartphone continues to generate buzz in the rumor mill. Today, a new development seems to confirm the design of the iPhone SE4. This is not the first time we've heard that the iPhone SE4 will borrow its design from the iPhone 14 series, and it probably won't be the last. Last month, leaked CAD-based renders of the device surfaced, giving us a glimpse of its design. Often, leaked images of phone cases are the first confirmation of a device's design, and the next generation iPhone SE is no exception. The leaked dummy case unit reveals that the iPhone SE4 will indeed have a design similar to the iPhone 14, complete with cutouts for the volume rocker and mute switch on the left side, and a power key on the right edge. According to the leaked case, the back panel of the iPhone SE4 will feature a horizontal pill-shaped camera module housing a single camera sensor, along with a cutout for an LED flash unit. On the front, the device will sport a notched display, accommodating the front camera and facial recognition sensors. The leaked case also suggests that Apple may do away with the Touch ID sensor on the next generation SE model, allowing for thinner bezels and a larger screen estate compared to the iPhone SE3. While reports indicate that the iPhone SE4 is indeed delayed until 2025, the fact that case makers have already started production for the smartphone suggests that it may still arrive this year. Ultimately, the decision lies in Apple's hands. So, how do you like these new cases from Apple for the upcoming iPhone SE4? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.